Gappsi designed and installed this backyard project on the North Shore of Long Island. We built a brand new deck with Cumaro wood. This is a Brazilian hardwood, and we installed a steel cable see-through railings all around the deck. We built stairs going down to the pool area. The swimming pool was built with a negative edge to blend into the waterfront on the property. We installed a spa in the middle of the pool that overspills on three sides. The pool coping and polish over the patio was built with Fiorito travertine coping and pavers in combination with the porcelain pavers. The porcelain pavers that we installed were installed open drain, no grout. The water filters right through the spaces into the ground. The spa walls out of the water were veneered with the glass tiles, and the steps and benches over the pool were also accented with the same matching glass tiles, and the entire wall over the negative edge was also veneered with glass tiles. We built a trough to contain spillover water, and two steps on both sides over the pool, also veneered with and capped with Fiorito travertine. Project is a high-end project, very precisely executed. Property is a very beautiful property facing the Long Island Sound. The inside of the pool, we utilize Tahoe Blue Diamond Bright for the pool and the spa. This is the latest complete backyard design and installation done by Gappsi on the North Shore of Long Island, New York.